Continue with question number 3. Evaluate. Have a look at the first question A. You can see that we have 3 brackets here, right? The first, the second, and the third. So we'll solve one after the other. So let's deal with the first bracket for now. Okay. So if you look at the first bracket, this it constituted of this, right? Now look at the power again. It is -2. So we'll first change the negative power into positive. So we simply have to interchange these two positions here, right? So we have -1/2 to the power -2. So let's make the power positive, right? So it will be now 2 by -1 and then to the power 2 here, right? I'm going to bring the minus up, so I'll simply be having here -2 to the power 2, right? So you can see here -2 to the power 2. Now let's deal with the second bracket. So second bracket consists of all this again. So once again the power is -1, right? So first we'll make it positive again. Okay, so if you look, we have -2 to the power 2. So we know the 1 is always down here, right? And then we have here -1. So we have to interchange the positions. So 1 will go up and then this -2 will go down, but now the power will be positive, right? But this can simply be written as just 1 by 2 to the power 2 like this. Okay, we don't need to write this one because it is understood. All right, so you can see here -1, I've changed it to positive, but remember again, this one, even if I don't write, it's fine. All right, now let's deal with the last bracket. So now if you look, once again the power is what, -2, right? So we'll make it positive again. Okay, so which means that we're having what, 1 by -2 square and then whole -2. I have to interchange the position, right? So this -2 will go up, so -2 and then whole square. Here of course 2 is already there, right, because of this square here. Okay, so we're going to get here -2 to the power 2 to the power 2. So these are the law, right? A to the power m and then whole to the power n. So how do we do this? We just multiply the power m into n. Or m here is what, 2, and then n is also 2. So 2 2s are, we're going to get here 4. All right, so 2 to the power 4 means, right, 2 4 times, right? So I've written here -2 into -2 into -2. First do the sign, minus into minus plus, then plus into minus minus, and minus into minus plus. All right, once you're done with the sign, we know the answer will be in terms of plus, right? Then just multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the, and we're going to get 16. Let's go to the next. So once again, 1 by 5 to the power -2 will make the power plus. So we just have to interchange the positions, right? So 5 is in the denominator, it will come up now. So 5 square, same thing. 1 by 10 to the power -4. Let's make the power positive. So 10 will come up. So we're going to have 10 to the power 4. Same thing with this one again. 1 by 5 to the power -3. Change the power to positive. So 5 to the power 3. All right, so 5 square means 25, right? We have to multiply 5 2 times, 5 5s are, and then 10 to the power 4, simply multiply 10 4 times like this. We're going to get what, 10,000. all right, so you can already see it. Next step, you can see division is here, right? We'll convert it into multiplication. So remember, denominator is 1. These two will interchange their positions. Okay, and 5 to the power 3 simply means multiply 5 3 times. Okay, and we're going to get 1 by 25. So here, instead of writing 5 to the power cube, I'm just writing down the number, writing it on direct. Okay, 5 to the power 3 equals 125. Next step, add these two, we're going to get 10,025, then multiply by 1 by 125. So here we can divide. So let's divide it. 5 to the 10, 5 5s are 25, then 5 to the 10, then 0 is here. Once again, this 2 is too small, I have to take this both, right? So 0, and then 5 5s are 25. Okay, once more, 5 5s are 25, then 5 4s are 20, this 0 will come, then 5 1s are 5, and then our final answer will be 401 divided by 5. All right, question number D. So there's a mistake in a textbook. Okay, so you correct it. Like it will be, should be like this. Okay, 1 by 3 to the power -2. All right, once again, the power is minus, convert it into plus, right? So this 4 will go up, we'll have 4 to the power 3. Same thing, power is again negative, -2. So these two will interchange their position, and we'll have 3 to the power 2. Change the power to positive. Okay, same thing once again here, the power is -4, so we'll convert it, change the power to positive, so this 3 will come up, right? And then 1 will go down, so 3 to the power 4. So once the powers are done, 4 cube means we'll get 64. 4 cube simply means multiply 4 3 times. Okay, you're going to get 64, and then 3 square means multiply 3 2 times. All right, so 9. Now we'll change the division into multiplication, right? So remember, 1 is down here, so this 2 has to interchange their position, as you can already see here. Then 64 minus 9, we're going to get 55, and 3 to the power 4 means simply write 3 4 times, right? So once you multiply 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Okay, 55 1 is 55, and our answer is going to be 55 by 81. All right, question number 4. So if you look here, 3 by 4 to the power -9 into 4 by 3 to the power -7. Here we'll only change this. Okay, we'll try to change the minus 7 into plus 7, which means this 4 and 3 has to interchange their positions, right? You can see here now the power is plus. Now have a look here. Can you see the base are same here, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, but the powers are different, right? So what happens when you do that? According to law 1, the base are same, right? 3 by 4, 3 by 4, but the powers are different. And remember, it is multiplication, which means we can add the powers. Okay, so my P is how much here? Minus 9, Q is 7, right? So I mean M is minus 9 and then N is 7. Okay, add the power. So minus 9 plus 7, we're going to get minus 2. So once again, we'll try to change the negative to positive. So this 3 and 4 will interchange their positions, right? Then because of this root whole, remember this square or this 2 is for both of them, right? So 4 square and then 3 square, which means what? 4 into 4 and 3 into 3. If you multiply, 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9. Alright, E, minus 5 by 6 to the power minus 7. Now it is division here, okay? And then minus 5 by 6 to the power minus 6. So when it is division, we can already see that the base are same here. Minus 5 by 6, minus 5 by 6. The powers are different. One is minus 7, the other is minus 6. What happens? We just subtract the powers here, okay? So I've written the base minus 5 by 6, right? And then now, when you look at P, it is minus 7. So I've written minus 7. Now because of the formula, this minus is there. And even if you look at N, it is again minus 6. So you can see here, right? Next step, minus 7, just write it down. Then minus into minus, we're going to get a plus. Okay, then minus 7 plus 6, minus is greater, so we're going to get minus 1. Now change this power into positive, which means these two will change their positions here, right? So we're going to have what? Minus it will be minus 5 by 6 to the power minus 1 can be written as 6 by minus 5 to the power 1, right? I'm just bringing the minus up. Okay, so we're having minus 6 by 5 here in the last step. Okay, that will do.